welcome back to another video. This time myself and Emma are heading to Kalbarri, which is a couple hours north of Perth, probably about 5-6 hours. Be up there for about a week with Emma's family as well, so it'll be good to try and get some cool drone footage of the beaches, maybe play some golf at the Kalbarri Golf Club, bit of fishing, and then just a bit of sitting by the beach, a bit of relaxing. Definitely some much needed R&R. But yeah, so hopefully the week goes by, bit of a blast, should be a good video, and hopefully enjoy it. First up, we're going to stop in at Dongra, try out the bakery that's there. Heard some good things about the pies and all the pastries they have there. So we'll go in, we'll give you a pie review, so stick around for that. Something a bit different, and then yeah, we'll see how it goes from there. See you soon. Alright, so welcome to the pie review. Stopped by the Dongra Bakery. We've got just a chunky beef pie. Super nice. Looks really nice. Bit of cheese maybe on top, so we'll see how it goes. Sauce as always, super windy. That was a good pie. I reckon like an 8 out of 10. Super good pie. Nice and chunky. Lots of gravy, lots of sauce. Yeah, I reckon a solid 8 out of 10. So if you're in Dongra, definitely recommend. Alright, so we have made it to Kalbarri. Super windy, I don't know if you can tell at all, but the trees are like crazy. Yeah, not just once but twice our tent almost blew over. Nice and warm though, about 30 degrees, and we're just going to go sit and chill in Rachel and Dan's villa tent place.
Maybe there's no wind.
Hopefully no wind, and then after that, don't know, we'll just sit and chill I think after that and see how it goes from there. Yeah, just trying to get out this wind really. See you probably at dinner. I think next up's going to be dinner, I think.
Ready, can I do it?
Yep.
Bye! Alright guys, we've come to the end of day one. We set up the tent, ready to go. Hit a few snags. What was the biggest snag, Josh?
The snag would be the wind. It's super windy. It's about 40k an hour winds right now.
It's really bad. Like every time the corner moves, Josh has to kick it with his foot to keep the tent from collapsing. Apart from the wind, all set up, ready to go. Had a good first day. We played some cricket with Sean. Went for a bit of a scooter ride down to the water. It was very windy. We had dinner, which was sausages, like sausage sizzles, which are really good. And tomorrow we're going to go fishing early in the morning. It's us signing off for the night. Good night, everyone. Bye.
Alright, good morning everyone. Today we're going to go fishing. Let's go down to Eagle Point. So the game plan is go get some bait and then go catch a fish and have a good morning. So, wish us luck. Welcome back to a bit more fishing. We found ourselves in the river this time. Yeah, nothing overly exciting's happened. I Emma caught one fish, you probably just saw. No fish. But yeah, it's about 6:15 I think. Sunset's about an hour, so hopefully it's kind of that feeding time. I've had one big bite about half hour ago, nothing since. Yeah, we won't be here for much longer, probably another 20 minutes, 15 minutes, and then gonna head back to camp for some dinner. So hopefully I can get a nice big bite and maybe a silver brim, as just called by Emma. If not, it'll just be chuck out the rest of the bait and then go eat some roast, which also sounds really nice. So yeah, I'll leave it there. If you see me again, it's because I catch a fish. If it's not, it's because I don't catch a fish, and I'm chucking a sook because Emma's catching fish and I'm not. Yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Either with. All right, we ended up going home last night. Didn't catch any fish, so
I caught one.
and Emma caught one, but we went home. I went home and had some roast beef for dinner. Now we're at the local bakery, the Red Bluff Bakery. Got ourselves a bacon and hash brown barbecue wrap. It's pretty good.
Chicken and pesto.
And we got a chicken and pesto one, so see how it goes. That's very good. That's just what I needed. Not sure what we got planned for the rest of the day. Might just be a bit of a chilled out day. Probably won't video too much at all. Nothing too exciting is going to happen. Yeah, we'll see you tomorrow.
I'm thinking of your pretty eyes. A single word can change my life. I'm thinking of your pretty eyes. A single word can change my life. So talk to me, tell me you want to stay tonight. I'm nervous, I'm feeling that you do not need my love. Don't break my heart, 'cause I need all your love. And tell no lies, just tell me what you want. Don't break my I'm thinking of your pretty eyes. A single word can change my life. I'm thinking of your pretty eyes. A single word can change my life. So talk to me, tell me you want to stay tonight. I'm nervous, I'm feeling that you do not need my love. Don't break my heart, 'cause I need all your love. And tell no lies.
Alright, yesterday afternoon, bit of a recap, we just had a bit of a chill afternoon after going to Lucky Bay in the morning. We played some games, had fish and chips for dinner. I don't know how the fish was because I don't eat it, but Josh said it was good. Today we are on our way to the Kalbarri National Park to do the Skywalk and Nature's Window because it's way too hot to do anything else. And then after that we will go to Blue Holes and do some snorkeling, which I've been told is absolutely amazing. You'll have to wait for some videos for that. And after that, probably just chill the rest of the day because it's going to be warm again. But this is our last full day here, so we've jam-packed it full of stuff ready to do, and we're very excited. So, see you later.
Alright, that is the end of our holiday video up in Kalbarri. We've just got a bit of pack up to do, just pack up the tent and pack the car up, and then should be out of here hopefully by about 8 o'clock. Definitely going to stop in and get some pies from some bakeries or something like that. But yeah, it's been lots of fun. My favourite part was probably doing a bit of fishing, catching that cod. Something pretty different, don't normally catch those in estuary. And Emma, what's your favourite part?
Going snorkeling and doing the Skywalk yesterday.
Yeah, the Skywalk. Well, that was pretty cool. Hope you like this one again. Was a fun one. A lot more relaxed. Got something pretty cool coming up next. Going international again. So stick around for that one. That'll be really fun. But yeah, see you next time.